Hey everybody, Investing Club here. I just want to make a quick market update video for you guys. So today the market is down around 4.5%, but I want to specifically talk about what happened in the last week. In the last week, the stock market had a rally and went from around 224 all the way to 260. So that is a pretty rapid increase over the period of a week. And what I want you to notice is how the green line on this chart is the 20-day moving average. And I just want you to note how the price went exactly right up to this 20-day moving average and is now bounced down from it again. And that is something I had said in past videos. I said I don't expect the price to move back above this 20-day moving average until we have reached a bottom. What we've seen in the past couple supports this idea precisely. And, I said if the price does make it up to this moving average, I would expect it to bounce off because, as I've said in previous videos, moving averages are spots where price tends to bounce off of and reverse. And so in terms of where we go from here, I think we are still in a bear market. We're still in a very clear downtrend, and I think we are going lower. How low, I'm not really sure. We could stop at this low where we were a couple weeks ago, or we could go lower than that. I've said in previous videos, I expect the S&P 500 to be at around 2,000. Again, it could go lower. It could not go that low at all. This is by no means me saying this stock market's guaranteed to go down from here. It could go back up. All I'm saying is the price movement that we've seen over the past couple of days shows that there's a higher chance of the stock market going down from here. And so I think this is a good spot to prepare for another leg down. Hold a lot of cash. That's what I'm doing. That's how I usually hedge for a drop in stock prices. If you're really scared, you can buy put options. I have a video on how to do that on my channel. It gives you a way to insure your portfolio so your portfolio value doesn't go down even if stocks drop. And that's pretty much it, guys. Stay prepared for either scenario, and I will keep you all updated. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.